Hello! Welcome back to our channel. We've got news for you. We have incorporated Tesla cars into all floor plans that include garages. Cars in the layout help you offer your clients more than just a house. With realistic and well-thought-out plans from Getfloorplan, you're offering them a lifestyle. Think about it from your client's perspective. They're no longer just browsing through floor plans. They're visualizing themselves living in this space, making it their own. It's not just about making a good impression. By offering this level of visualization, you're also making the home buying process more attractive and interactive for your clients. They're not just choosing a house, they're choosing a lifestyle, and you're helping them see what it will be like. And of course, we are pleased to offer you the opportunity to use the promo code GETSTART, which gives you a 35% discount on your first order. Don't miss the chance to optimize your design process and take it to the next level of efficiency with Getfloorplan. Try it today and discover the advantages of cutting-edge technologies in interior design. Don't forget to hit the like button if you're ready to take your plans to the next level, and subscribe to our channel to get more tips and ideas to stand out in the real estate development world. Until next time, happy building!